Hey guys, what is up? So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix Vanguard 9101. This build of Vanguard cannot run on untrusted machines. Restart your PC for it to work. Now, this is usually caused by Riot Vanguard. So to fix this, first you want to go to search, type in add or remove programs. And once you're in here, type in Riot and find Riot Vanguard. Click on three dots, click on install. Are you sure you want to continue? Click yes. After you're done installing it, double click on Riot Client. And once the client is loaded, you go to Valorant and then click Update, which will install Riot Vanguard. After it's done installing, it says your game requires a restart to play. Now you want to close this. Now also this issue could be caused by like a old driver or like some controller, sketchy controller or something, USB device, any third-party software that Vanguard might detect as cheat, even if it's dedicated or related to other game. I had the same issue with the fan control, as it like uses some old prehistoric driver, and then Valorant was stopping it because it thought it was a cheat software. Now the next thing you want to do before you restart your PC is head over to search, type in run. Once in run, type in this services.msc, click enter. Once in here, click somewhere here, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC, double click on it. The startup type, you want to switch to automatic, click apply, click start, let it load, and then okay. And you want to close this. The next thing you want to do is go back to search and look for system configuration. Once it opens this, go to services, click hide all Microsoft services. Scroll all the way down till you find VGC. If it says here stopped or running, then it's fine. If it says disabled, you have to enable it. And to do so, make sure to untick and then tick back the VGC, click apply and click OK. And then it will ask you to restart your PC, which you'll do. Once you relaunch the system, the game should work properly. And that's it. That's how you fix Vanguard 9101. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.